Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Welcome back to Talk About Hakka right here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係林澤柱. That's Joseph Lin right here to talk more about the Hakka culture. And today, let's have Leo teach us another idiom. OK， 再来教一些谚语好了。
谚语，
我喜欢这种很有学问的感觉。
这一句“亲热的阿伯，敌死”。
好像在骂人了。
对啊，是我在骂人。
真的啊。OK， 再讲一次。
亲热的阿伯，敌死。
亲热的阿伯，敌死。这句话什么意思？有点7月的感觉有在里面。对。
我问你，7月有一个很大的节日。是什么节？
你说农历吗？
是啊。
中元节。
嘿，对。中元节的时候呢，是不是要祭拜好兄弟呀？
拜拜啊，对，没错。
所以我说7月的鸭子呢，他还过得很快乐，因为他不知道他的寿命已经到了。
他要被这个祭拜了，他还不知道。对。Interesting idiom, okay? It literally means the duck doesn't know he's about to die in the month of July. Hey, that even rhymes. Because in the month of July, according to the lunar calendar, it's ghost month here in Taiwan. And there's a lot of rituals and ceremonies that will take place. And a lot of poultry, whether it be chicken, duck, goose, will be consumed by people as we pay respect to the gods and the ghosts and to pray for peace.
譬如说，我就对着你讲说，亲爱的阿伯，敌死，我就在警告你，这不知死活。
我自己不知死活，
你得罪我，
我像7月的鸭子一样了。
是。
Okay, so this idiom kind of describes a situation where someone is so ignorant, he or she does not know that he's in trouble, a lot of trouble. Very ignorant. All right, let's hear the explanation of this idiom once again in English.
The 7th month on the lunar calendar is the ghost month. According to Taiwanese tradition, on July 15th, almost every family will sacrifice chickens, ducks, geese, and other livestock to please the spirits. A traditional proverb describes the to-be-sacrificed mid-July ducks as naive, having no idea of the fate that awaits them. This also symbolically describes ignorant people who are completely unaware of the danger they face and of the seriousness of matters at hand.
And let's go ahead and teach people how to say this line once again in Hakka.
好，亲热的阿伯，敌死。
亲热的阿伯，敌死。So there you go. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
俺自 say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.